Yo, what up everybody? Today we're going to showcase to you how you can create your own liquidity pool here on Smithii on the Solana blockchain. Let's dive into it. Okay, so let's just go one more cool thing. You can also create a pre-sale of your token, and simply enough, we're not going to do a pre-sale for this showcase, for this test, but we're just going to show you that this tool exists and how you could use it. You could create a sale price. So let's say if you're selling it to like a community, you could have your own sale price. So put the price of your token on pre-sale, could be cheaper. There has to be a minimum buy sold, like 0.5. Soft cap should be, of course, the minimum amount of SOL raised to consider sale successful. So people, they do also do that out there, and Smithii also takes a 2.5% fee. I just want you to know that. We're going to do, of course, another airdrop after liquidity pool. Yes, we're going to do that. We're just showcasing to you that you could also do a cool thing. So what is very important about the pre-sale and its purpose is that it's going to create for you guys a lot of user engagement, and also you're going to be seen as more serious compared to other meme coins out there. And also, most importantly, it will raise liquidity for your token, so launch and marketing will be bigger. Great. So you can also create this like as a synergy loop. So like, let's say more buyers equals more liquidity, bigger LP, and that attracts more buyers. So this is just something we're showing to you right now. And what we're going to now dive into is we're going to finally go and we're going to create the liquidity pool of our masterclass token. You're going to, of course, create the liquidity for your token, and you can just simply do that very easily. Alrighty, so your base token is going to be your masterclass. Your quote token is going to be Solana for this test. Now, simply enough, what we want to do, we want to, of course, put in here also, if you want, you can also put advanced options where you can go a little bit more into detail. I do not recommend this. I only do recommend it for like people who are more into creating liquidity already for a long time, know what they're doing, because it is very important. So I'm going to add liquidity. I have here this amount of masterclass, and I'm going to add 1 Solana. So for the sake of this show, we're just going to add in here. So select the time when liquidity pool will go live, such as local time, or you can even snipe your token. And we're going to also showcase to you that you can do that as well. So for instance, you can buy your token on the first block just after launching your liquidity pool, snipe it before anybody else. So for this showcase and educational purposes only, we're going to do it. We're going to auto snipe, and we're going to choose in there 0.2 just for showcase. It's only $30. So we're going to just snipe already $30 when I'm creating the liquidity pool. So once we have this, I'm just going to double check on the zeros, because that's a lot of zeros. 200,000, I'll put in that amount there. Okay, yeah, for this test, I think this is actually great. So now when we do it, we're going to create the liquidity pool. Ladies and gentlemen, a very historical moment is happening right now. I'm going to now go here. I'm going to create, and I actually don't want to put that much Solana in. Why is it only a balance? I only put 1 in there. There we go. That's it. Let's just put in there 0.5 for this test here. I think that's going to be perfect. Going to create the liquidity pool. Now you just want to double check how much you're going to be putting in here, because it could fly. So success, the liquidity pool creation and snipe successfully has been executed. We have now created a liquidity pool. Now, very importantly, where you can find your liquidity pool is here. Very bottom point here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you guys so that you can see it. Is your created market ID of your liquidity pool that is out there. So you can actually just check it out to see how it is. So there it is. Next up, we also have here the other one, which is the ID of the liquidity pool. Also very important to have. I'm just going to move this all the way here for better judgment.